Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're an IT admin still managing Windows 10 machines, you might be pulling your hair out over the latest patch Tuesday. We need to talk about the KB5068781 Extended Security Update, or ESU, because it's causing some major headaches. This update, which is the very first ESU for Windows 10, was released on November 11th. But almost immediately, sysadmins in corporate environments started reporting that it's failing to install. The common error code 0x800F0922. Many have described the same frustrating process. The update appears to install just fine, but after the mandatory restart, it fails, rolls back, and throws that error. This is happening even on devices that have the proper ESU licenses applied. So, what's going on? Well, Microsoft has finally chimed in. They've officially confirmed they're investigating the issue. According to their statement, the problem seems to specifically affect Windows 10 devices that were activated using the Windows subscription activation method through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So, if you're using that particular licensing path, you're likely in the group experiencing these failures. Unfortunately, that's where the good news ends for now. Microsoft hasn't given any timeline for a fix, and even more frustratingly, there are no official workarounds at the moment. This leaves many businesses in a tough spot, unable to apply a critical security update. It's a waiting game to see when a patch for the patch will be released. To make matters even more confusing, some admins have also reported another strange issue, even on devices that are correctly licensed for extended security updates. The new KB5068781 update sometimes isn't even showing up as being needed. It's like the systems don't even recognize that they're eligible for the update in the first place. This adds another layer of complexity to an already messy situation, making it difficult for organizations to ensure all their machines are properly patched and secured. These kinds of problems really highlight the challenges of modern patch management, especially in large, complex corporate networks. It's a constant battle to keep systems updated without breaking something else in the process. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story, and we'll let you know as soon as Microsoft provides a solution or a workaround. If you've run into this 0x800F0922 error or had any other issues with this ESU update, please share your experience in the comments below. It's always helpful to see how widespread these problems are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. See you in the next one.